Hey, it's David down at Crosstown Dodge in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2017 Hyundai Elantra Limited in Phoenix Orange Pearl, powered by the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine underneath the hood. This is a 4-door sedan, and there's chrome door handles on the outside on all 4 doors. Come to the front here, very aggressive styling, I have to say. It looks very good. You have some LED lights down there, projector style headlamps with high beams and turn signals. Looking very good. I love the look of the Elantra. Come to the side here, it's running on 17-inch Nokian mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction. They're on alloy rims, and there's 4-wheel disc brakes all around. LED turn signal lights built into the mirrors, and they are breakaway mirrors. This does have the proximity key fob. All you got to do is put your hand around the door handle, press this button here, and that'll unlock the door for you. And when you're done with it, you can just press this button right here, and it will lock it up. Really cool. Here is the door panel. Lots of storage space down below with a cup holder. Nice place for an arm. Looking very nice. Driver's seat is fully powered with lumbar support. Leather seats throughout. Adjustable headrests on the front seats. And this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable. Down here on the floor, there are latches so you can open up your fuel cap cover and pop open the trunk. And it says Elantra on the mat there, and this does have a power sunroof. Moving to the back seat area here. All right. Storage down below with a cup holder. Nice place for an arm, power window switch, heated seats in the back, which is really cool. There's tons of footroom back here, plenty of headroom, handles in the back seat area that your passengers can hold on to. If the ride gets a little bumpy, adjustable headrest in the back seat too. Nice. This is where you put gasoline inside the Hyundai Elantra. Back here you'll see there's dots in the back bumper. Those are rear parking sensors. Put your hand underneath here. There's a button. You press it and that'll pop open the trunk if the car is unlocked. Pull this latch here and you can fold down the seats. It is a 60-40 rear split setup. And when all the seats are folded down, it gives you more space to haul bigger things inside this Hyundai Elantra. Push it back up and it easily locks back into place. Tons of space in the back here for luggage, groceries, anything you want. Go ahead, you can put it back here. Pull this flap right here. There's a spare tire. Pull this latch on the other side here. Boom, comes right down. Love it. Push it back up and it locks back into place. In the middle here, there's a fold down armrest with 2 big cup holders. Push it back up if you're not using it. And there's a pocket on the back of the passenger seat. Storage down below with a cup holder. Heated seat button. Power window switch. For both heated seats in the back, there are 2 settings. So you can have a really warm setting and a light warm setting. This easily comes back down. Boom, just like that. Nice limited badge there, Hyundai badge, Elantra badge. Looking very good. You can unlock all the doors and lock the doors as long as you have the key fob using the passenger door handle too. See, there's the black button. Storage down below with a cup holder, power window switch, power locks, nice place for an arm, looking good. Passenger seat is manual adjustment. There's airbags built into the front seats for safety. There's side curtain airbags, driver and passenger side airbags, and more. The Hyundai Elantra is a very safe car to be in. There's a directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. Lower glove box with your manual. Got space for different things in there. Great looking dashboard. Great style throughout this whole car, especially on the outside. That's right, Infinity sound system logo. Love it. Let's hop inside and take a closer look at this 2017 Hyundai Elantra right now. All right, now I'm sitting inside the 2017 Hyundai Elantra Limited, and here is the key fob. You have a unlock button, a lock button. You can pop open the trunk, and there's a panic button. Nice Hyundai badge on the back there. This also has Aftermarket Remote Start, which is handy to have in the wintertime. You can keep this key fob in your pocket, or you can put it down below here in one of the cup holders. All you gotta do is put your foot on the brake, go over to the side here, and press the push button, start button. And that starts up the Hyundai Elantra. The tachometer, the speedometer, the fuel gauge, and the temperature gauge, it all looks very good. And this car only has 27,827 kilometers on it. Not too shabby, so come on down to Crosstown Dodge today and see if this is going to be yours. A nice Hyundai badge here in the middle with, of course, a horn. It is a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right, audio controls on the left here with Bluetooth buttons. And using this button right here and this one right here, we can go through the driver information center. And the first thing you'll see is that there is a digital speedometer. You have your fuel range on your tank of fuel. You have a trip A calculator. Hold the OK button and you can reset that. Trip B calculator, which you can also reset, also tells you your average fuel economy and the time you've been driving for. And back to the digital speedometer, you have a compass, cruise control area. This lets you know what you're listening to when audio is turned on. A service area, and you have user settings so you can customize this Hyundai Elantra to be the way that you want it to be. And if I go to driver assist, this car has lane keeping assist, which is fantastic. It also has smart cruise control. Interesting. Autonomous emergency braking. Wow, amazing. Forward collision warning. Say what? Rear cross traffic alert. Amazing. So many safety features built into this Hyundai Elantra. On the left here, you have dimmer buttons, blind spot detection, another safety button, and traction control, directional air vent in the middle here, which you can close and open. Driver's seat presets. You can set out the 2 presets, and by the push of a button, the seat will adjust to your preset settings. You have power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver's side window is automatic. This is a tilt steering wheel too. Leather wrapped steering wheel, feels great in your hands. Automatic transmission, heated seats up front, and you have 3 settings for both. Heated steering wheel, you have a drive mode button. You can choose either eco mode, sport mode, or normal mode. Throw this car into reverse, a backup camera appears on the touchscreen here, giving you a great view of what's behind you. And if I turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're gonna go. Fantastic. That also activates the rear parking sensors, and you have your manual shift mode right there. There's a little storage area down here with a USB port and an auxiliary port. There's a 12-volt DC power out on the left, and another one on the right. Push that, it closes back up. Dual climate control with the auto feature, which allows the Elantra to adjust your climate control for you. You can adjust the fan speed, adjust where you want the air to go, turn on the air conditioning, rear window defroster, front defrost, recirculate button there, driver's temperature, passenger temperature, and you can sync and unsync the temperatures. Hazards right here, directional air vents in the middle, which you can close and open. Close and open. Auto dimming rear view mirror. There's a sunglasses holder right here. Push button reading lamps up above. Switch right here for the power sunroof. When opened, it lets in lots of fresh air and sunlight. Passenger sun visor comes down and has a convenience mirror with a convenience light. Handle there for the front passenger. Driver's sun visor also comes down and has a convenience mirror with a convenience light, and it is breakaway. There's a compass built into the mirror there. Lots of visibility out the front window. And here's the media center. GPS navigation, always fantastic to have that. Bluetooth area, you can pair more than one device, and you can also play music off your Bluetooth devices. Media button here. Great sound quality through the speakers. Sounds really good. Love it. Turn it back down like this. You have AM, FM radio, and Sirius XM presets on the left here. This touchscreen is very easy to use, very user-friendly. This does have the Infinity premium audio sound system. Definitely rock out, have a good time. inside this Hyundai Elantra, that's for sure. Got a setup here so you can customize settings and everything. Right here, you can adjust your sound, you choose. It's all right there for you. Press this button once, it mutes it. If you hold it, it shuts it off completely. There you go, and when it's off, it tells the time and the date, which I think is fantastic. And you got the handbrake down here. Of course, the cup holders, leather padding for your arm. Open this up, tons of storage space down here for whatever you want. This is awesome. And of course, you have your automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it. Be sure to come down to Crosstown and check out this Hyundai sometime soon. It's the 2017 Hyundai Elantra Limited in Phoenix Orange Pearl, powered by the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine underneath the hood. Heated seats up front, heated seats in the back, leather seats, power sunroof, many safety features. What a joy it would be to own this car. Come on down to Crosstown and see if this is going to be yours. It's waiting for you. I'm your man, Gravy Davey, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.